Hey, this is Tasha the Crafty Kraut. I just did a video on making one of these little wristlets out of fabric and interface. Now I'm going to show you how to make another one. My inspiration for this is I flushed my key fob down the toilet. It is very expensive flush. So what is up with this? So I'm going to show you how to do another one, a different kind. So what I have is I have ribbon. I have a leopard print ribbon, and I have this great piece of ribbon. Or it's not really ribbon, I'm not sure what it is, but it's kind of hard. This is gray. I have black too, but I really don't want to run upstairs, so I'm going to just do gray. So I'm going to sew these two together. And I made this a little shorter. I made this, actually, I cut that a little short. I made this about 10.5 inches because this wristlet to me is a little big. This, I believe this is an inch too, so it should fit. This is about 10.5 inches. So when you put your hand in it, you kind of have to put your hand in it, but this way it won't fall off. So I'm going to do this. So what you're going to do is you're just going to get your two fabrics. In this case, your two ribbons. You get your thread. You're going to sew these together, and then you're going to add your hardware. So this is actually a really quick. I'm going to do gray stitch. So we're going to do this real quick, and then we're going to do a little top stitch on it, and going up and down each side. And I will zoom in for that. For some reason I can't see, but I can somehow thread a needle even if I can't see, which is pretty amazing. I think it's actually just in my blood. My mom was a seamstress, and my sister was a seamstress. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to bring you over here so you can see this top stitch. We're going to, I'm doing this on my dad's bar because I don't have a craft room anymore. But, you know, just make it work. So I'm going to do, and try to line them up as best as you can. If you wear glasses, it would probably be smart to put your glasses on so you can see. Okay. Alright, you got your top stitches. Let's clean it up. I have this hardware, and quite honestly, I don't think it's the greatest hardware. The other one that I did with the fabric, it just doesn't seem to really catch, but you know, work with what you got. So I'm going to put the hardware on here, and then you want to make sure you push it up real good. And then again, I don't have one of these specialty pliers, so I'm just going to use regular pliers, and I'm going to put a towel over it so that it doesn't scratch my hardware. But this one's actually cute. Okay, so make sure you push down real hard. might do it again. I have carpal tunnel, so it's a little hard for me with grip, but okay. So here you have your wristlet. Let's zoom up. I think this is much better. It's about 10 inches wide, long, and it's about an inch, close to an inch. I think it's 7/8 is the ribbon. So here's your little key fob, and you put your little loop on this. It comes a pack of 5, and you can use this for keys or for anything really. You can put IDs on here, passes, just punch a hole in it, and then you just slip it on your arm. Voila. Thanks for watching. They're really easy to make. And I will put these two together, this one and this one, and show you. This is the ribbon, this is the fabric. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know if there's anything you want me to try to make to show you how.